Welcome to How Ines Rolls. Today I'm going to do a grocery haul from my nearby store, Vons. They are running some great deals. I'm going to take you along. Like I said, great deals, and I need to stock up my fridge for this next week. Having 3 boys at home, plus a husband, family, it's just a lot of food that comes in and out of this house. So I'm trying to plan some meals. I'm also trying to see if I can stock up some things even in the pantry. You know how I do. So let's go take a look at what's going on at Vons. You gotta find Ezra's favorite bread. Where is it? Where is it? Aquí es. Look at you guys, all of this pumpkin. But look at that price. That's more than twice as much as Walmart's.
Shame.
Shame. Oh, look, I have Paul with me.
Hey, I'm here.
Hey. So that is as much as I spent on a pumpkin. So I'm noticing some emptiness in the freezer section. Let me know if you guys are seeing that at your stores. All right, we're all done, and I can't wait to show you what we got. But crazy about the empty shelves. Okay, it's a little warm here in Las Vegas, so we need to get started doing the freezer stuff. But before we start, I spent $124 and I got lots of stuff. So let's see, back here you can see we got these sodas. They were 4 for $12. Not too bad. I like when they're on that sale. And let me show you what else I got. Okay, first off, we got a couple of these ice creams. We haven't had ice cream actually in a little while, and they were on a good sale. These were like $2.99 each. And then of course we had to pick up some cookie dough. So actually I think this is more Jonas and Paul. They really love the ice cream, so it lasts for a while. And I picked up Ezra some chocolate chip waffles. I just noticed today that he was eating some regular waffles, so I'm like, he may appreciate the chocolate chip ones now. He's so interesting. And then I picked up a couple of snacks that are easy to make. Some potato skins, which I probably make them better, right? If you just make it from scratch, it's just so good. So we're gonna try these, see if we like them, if the boys like them. They're a little bit on the pricier side, especially being from Vons. They weren't on sale, so they were like $6.99, I think. Yikes. So we're just gonna try them out and see if we like them. And look what I found, you guys. Look at these. These are very pliable, gluten-free tortillas. We've not used this brand before, and I'm just so impressed by how pliable it is. Paul was super excited to try them out as well. So we're gonna put these away and keep on going. Okay, next we picked up some more gluten-free bread. This one was on sale for $5.99. Normally they're like $6.99. This one is a wider bread. So let's see for hamburgers how that all works, but I hope he likes it. It's called Honey White, so sounds good. I also picked up some lean pockets. They didn't have any Philly cheesesteak. I mean, in any of the hot pockets. So some of the video that I showed you was convenience foods. So somebody either is having a very big party or people are stocking up already. So something to start thinking about as we're filling up our pantries and our freezers, you guys, because a little bit here, a little bit there, I think it's starting to be the time to do that. So if you've already been following me, I've already started stocking up our pantry, and I've made a second pantry to fill up as well. So just things that I know that my family will love to eat. And I know that Jonas has been really liking the Philly cheesesteak, so I really hope that he likes these lean pockets. I picked up just some corn tortillas. We're gonna be making some enchiladas. And of course you saw that I picked up Ezra's favorite bread. We still have some white bread from Grandma Sycamore, so I just wanted to pick up some wheat bread as well. Another snack that I got, some boneless chicken bites. Paul thought those looked pretty good on the honey barbecue, so we'll see. And then I just picked up some eggs. They were on sale for $18 for under $2. And you guys, there was one of the good sales. 2 packs of chicken breasts. They are 99 cents a pound. If you are seeing this, you should hit an Albertsons or a Vons ASAP. You can get 8 pounds for literally $8 or under $8. So I get 2 packs of 3 pounds because that's like the magic number for our family. And so I will cook these up like in a crock pot, or Paul will barbecue, and it is perfect amount for our family and even to have a little bit of leftovers later. So gotta get these into the freezer. All right, so I have some more treats and snacks that I want to share with you. Some other things that go in the freezer, like these onion rings. I'm a fan of the Vons ones. They're really good. And we picked up 2 tortilla chip bags for $3. That's a good price. So when I go to shop at Vons, I'm going primarily for their sales, because as you can see, something like freezer snack foods are almost ridiculous in how much they are. So hit the sales. And so you guys, these are also gluten-free for Paul, and they were like $1.87 each or $1.97 each. And I'll show you, so we got 2 of these, and then I'll show you what else we got the other 2, because it was limit 4. And then I picked up some of these for Paul. He likes to have those for his lunch. And then here's the part that I'm just not that proud of. I'm actually feeling a little bit hungry for dinner. So these were $1.97 each. You had to buy 3. So 1 pack, I tried to hide it in a special place. I'm trying to whisper because boys are nearby. And they can have the other 2. And then Paul saw that these little Halloween junior mints, so we'll have to try those with especially with my Ezra. He likes the minty stuff. And then this one, impulse buy. Look at how yummy these breads are. And I think this one here is pumpkin with cream cheese on it. Oh, that sounds so good. Breakfast, right, you guys? A breakfast. Like I'm waiting that long. All right, so let me go put these away, and then I'll show you some healthy stuff. Okay, here comes the healthy. Some bananas and some lettuce for cheeseburger night or just to have a salad. Okay, we've been using an awful lot of potatoes lately, so I wanted to get the 10-pound bag. And whenever I go to Vons, I don't feel like I have to sniff them. Comment down below if you know what I'm talking about. I'm the weird lady who sniffs her potatoes, only at Winco though. The celery. So I'm also going to be making some soups. I have some taco soup on hand and meatball soup about to be made. Some cucumbers, they were 2 for $1. And so baby carrots. So I have some right now in the refrigerator. So what I do with those is I just chop them up and put them in baggies and put them into the freezer. So now I can add them to stews and casseroles and anything that I need to cook with. And now it cuts the time like in half. So it's just easier to cook with. And then another reason I went to Vons, these grapes were 88 cents a pound, you guys. Whenever grapes are under $1, I have to buy some. Ezra loves them. Okay, so not only do I do that with carrots, but I also do it with celery. So something to think about. Broccoli, I will do that with broccoli as well. And of course, if you have corn, same thing. Okay, so I picked up another gallon of milk. With me cooking, I use more milk in my cooking and the boys with their cereal, which picked up 2 more of these. So on the sale, it was 2 of these, or you could get the granola bar. So you could get 4 items. So we got 2 of these and then 2 of those for under $2 each. I think it was like $1.88. So, and these are the big size ones. And I know Paul really likes the honey nut ones. I also picked up for Paul some vanilla milk. No, almond vanilla milk. And he likes that. I picked up more butter. I go through so much butter when I'm cooking. If you feel me, give me a thumbs up. And last but not least, I already showed you we had canned sodas, but the 2 liters were only 99 cents. So we just picked up some other ones. And we like to have these around, like especially for the weekend. And then the kids can just have some of these. So, because I really try to limit the cans. And so just because they can go so quickly, but if they have those, at least they can fill up a mason jar, be a little bit more. Do you know what I mean? So thanks so much, you guys. This was $126, and I'm just so glad that my Vons is close by and that they have really good deals, especially if you use the Just For You app. So it's something to invest if you're always going to Albertsons or to Vons. You should check out that app because you can get lots of good deals. So thanks for sticking around and have a wonderful day, rollers. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.